IDoTV.
Hi guys, welcome to IDoTV. I'm Rose. Today, I want to share a kind of board game. It's called Prepositions board game. What's in it is colored paper, pictures, laminating sheets and laminator, scissors, cutter, tape, and a glue. This is how to make. Cut out everything except for the animal picture. Make a board game template on your own. Put some glue in the middle of the box. You can put a slide or ladder between the boxes. Let's laminate them all. If you don't have a laminator, you can use self-seal laminating sheet. Make a cut in each top and the bottom of the boxes. Then the animal picture can go in the box or under the box. Let's put all the boards on. When you mark on the box, the picture will slip without the Velcro. Junyan, your turn.
Wow! The frog is under the box.
Good job. Your turn.
Orange is under the box. Under the box.
Oh.
Dog is under the box.
Thank you for watching. Have a fun day. Bye bye.